Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fiesta side mirror, updated. Begin by gathering a flathead screwdriver, Torx bit, trim tool, and a cloth, then park on level ground and switch off ignition. First, remove the interior trim panel gently with the trim tool. Disconnect the mirror connector by pressing the tab. Unscrew the 3 mirror bolts with the Torx bit, support the mirror, and lift it free from the door. Start by removing the interior trim cover behind the mirror using the trim tool to pry gently from the edges. Peel back the foam to expose the wiring harness. Press the connector tab and pull straight to disconnect, then remove the 3 Torx bolts while supporting the mirror with your hand. Lift the mirror off the studs and set it aside, then inspect mounting surfaces for rust or damage before fitting a new mirror. To reinstall, reverse the removal steps and use new bolts if threads are worn. Align the mirror on studs, start bolts by hand, then tighten evenly to avoid stress. Reconnect the electrical connector and test mirror adjust and heater functions before reattaching trim. Apply silicone around grommets if water intrusion occurred. Finally, torque bolts to manufacturer spec if available, clean the mirror surface, and perform a road test to confirm firmness and function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.